Now, more than ever, we need to ensure we keep our mind positive, uplifted. We need to stop looking at the news updates. We need to look after ourselves and at least start the day off positive. The best thing you can do is to start the day off with your morning gratitude list. For the more we are grateful, the more we shall receive. Maybe you would like to keep a journal each day of finding, 10 things that you can be grateful for. So just sit down, close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, exhale through your mouth, and again a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And just say things that you're grateful for to have in your life. Thank you for my friends. Thank you for my family. Thank you for my eyes so I can see. Thank you for my ears so that I can hear. Thank you for my heart for pumping blood to all parts of my body. Thank you for my able body. Thank you for my immune system, for fighting viruses that enter our body, for keeping us in the best health so we can do the things that we love. Thank you for my unique mind so I can be different, have my own thoughts. Thank you for my fears so that I know there is opportunity for growth. Thank you for the pain so I can become a stronger person. Thank you for the food in my fridge. Thank you for the fridge. Thank you for my kettle. And as you go through the day, find the little things that you're grateful for and keep on doing this for 21 days. And you will find after the 21 days that the simplest things in life give you great pleasure. Open your eyes.